Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Temu app data. So one of the ways to actually do that by clicking your avatar icon at the top right, and then you can just go ahead to the settings, and then you can scroll a little bit down and click sign out, and that should delete the data that you don't want or the notifications of the data on your Temu. Another way of doing it, you could just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, and then you gotta just type right here in your search iPhone, right? iPhone storage, basically, and you're gonna be able to see the results right here. I'm gonna just show it to you. Data general, basically right here, iPhone storage, and then you're gonna be able right here to see your data. Just go ahead and click on the Temu app. Let's have example this one, and you're gonna upload the app, and you're gonna double click to confirm, and then you're gonna be reinstalling the app without losing any of your important data. So let me know in the comments with this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.